Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Hotjar account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a team member in Hotjar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different admins or assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Hotjar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hotjar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove an admin, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. It's in red. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Organization Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on Team. Once you click on Team, you're going to see all of the admins and users you have in your account. So you can see I have this just one admin and then myself. So in order to delete or remove them, you're going to click on the X over here to the right. However, before you delete them, you might want to go ahead and just change their access. So if you want to remove admin, you can drop them down to a read only. However, if you're sure you want to go ahead and completely remove access, click on the X. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure once removed, they will no longer be able to access this organization on the platform? If so, click on Yes, Remove. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this admin or that team member has now been removed, so they no longer have access to my Hotjar unless I come back in here and re-invite them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member in your Hotjar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.